Okay, so the first problem we have is 2 divided by 1/8, which means how many 1/8 are there in 2? How many 1/8 are in 2? So in your book, you have one number line, and it shows from 0, 1, 2, and your book keeps going, but all that we really need to worry about is up to the 2 because that's what we're starting with. That's what our dividend is. So I'm going to make that line really dark. You can do that in your book also. I'm just going to catch up a little bit and divide my line into 8 equal parts, just like your book has it, so that we can see the eighths. So now the question is, how many eighths are there in 2? We're going to circle each eighth, or we can do jumps for each eighth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 eighths in 2 wholes. Okay, let's try the next one. 4 divided by 2/5. 4 divided by 2/5, which we know means how many 2/5 are in 4 wholes. So again, you have a single number line. We were working on double number lines in class, but they work similarly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Your line goes on beyond that, but we only need to go up to 4 wholes. So you can darken your mark at 4 wholes. So the denominator here tells me that we're working with fifths. So if you count on your line, that's how many equal parts each whole has been divided up into. So there, now my line is divided up into fifths also. But now if I look, the question is how many 2/5 are there in 4? So I'm going to have to mark every 2/5. So this is going to be one set. Count another 2/5, that's another set. Another 2/5, that's 3 sets. Another 2/5, 4 sets. 5. Okay, just keep counting groups of 2/5 because that's what we're looking for. And then go back now, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 2/5 in 4. All right, we'll try one more together. 5 divided by 3/7. This is similar to the last one. So again, it's how many 3/7 are in 5. That's the question we're trying to figure out. Here's our number line. All we really need to go up to is 5 wholes. I had to make mine a little longer. And then each whole is divided up into 7 equal parts because that's the denominator there. Okay, so now we need groups of 3/7. That's what we're looking for. So each of these is 1/7, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. That's one group. That's 3/7 right there. 1, 2, 3. That's another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. Another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. Another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. That's another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. That's another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. That's another 3/7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 1, 2 left over. So we'll decide what we're going to do with that one in a minute. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 groups. So that's going to be how many whole groups I can make. How many parts did I need for one group? There are 1, 2, 3 parts in one group. Over here at the end, I have 1, 2 pieces left over. So I have 2 pieces left over, and I need 3 pieces to make a whole group. So that would be my final answer. Now let's just check it. We talked a little bit in class today about keep, change, flip. So if I were to now change this to a multiplication sentence and multiply straight across, I would get 35 over 3. which does convert. 35 divided by 3 is 11, and there's 2 parts that are left over. So if you're not sure, you can always use that method to check. Try a few more. If you can, try the whole page, and we will review it tomorrow as well.